Hey guys! Okay, that's so fake. That is literally so fake. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, you never seen me before, my name is Najima Lily K and I upload 2 videos a week. I try to upload 2 videos by week, and that is quite a little bit like, well, I'm getting there. So don't forget to like and subscribe guys, so you can be the first one to watch my video every time I upload the video. Don't forget to pull your notification up, so every time I upload the video you'll be the first one to see. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to get, so I've been wearing this wig for like a week now, like a week. And then today I was just like, you know what, let me just tell my people, my YouTubers, that the wig, you can buy the cheapest wig out there and it can look expensive. You don't have to buy expensive wig to look expensive. That's my opinion. But anyways, so I got this wig from eBay. And it came with this box right here. This box is a grey wig. And then yeah, let's get started. When I get to be glue, I'm gonna put it in my forehead so that my wig will be like that hurt. That literally hurts. Like, it hurts. I don't know how people do it, but it does hurt. So I'm gonna put it in my forehead, all over my forehead. I won't put too much because after this video I'll take the wig out, because I don't sleep in my wigs, especially they're not real hair, so it's gonna get tangled and stuff, so I don't sleep with it if I wear it. So if I wear it, I'll take it out straight away, because you know, real hair, it doesn't get tangled. Get to be spray, get to be, you know what, yeah, I have a really funny story to saying this name. I can never ever be able to say this name. I have to literally say it twice to believe myself I said it right. Does that make sense? It's just like some kind of things. This is so cold. This is literally cold. If you guys have been using this, you should know what I'm talking about. Was literally freezing. I don't like using it because it's so cold. When you spray it, you feel like that's what it feels like, how freezing it is. Let it dry for seconds to be a little bit turkey, it sounds like turkey. To be a little bit tacky. So you can use a blow dryer, but I can't be bothered to look for a blow dryer, so I'll just use my hand. So you guys, this is the hair right here. I think this is like 20 inches. It was quite long. It's all grey, and I already done my baby hair. So let's go. It was only £20. £20, yeah, 20, I think 25 pounds or £20 something, and I bought it from eBay. So let's put it on. So I'm gonna take a bubble and I'm just gonna, to help myself, I'm just gonna, take it in the back, and I'm gonna take a brush that I don't use, and I'm gonna get some get to be glue, and I was just gonna use it together to just make the baby hair. I'm just gonna sweep it. It's not that biggie, you know. Not that biggie. And I just gonna sweep it like this, like so. Scoop it like that, because you know when you know. This hair has two parts, guys, so this is the one part right here. So this hair has two parts, guys, so you can bring it like this if you please to. That's one part right there. This is the part right here, guys. This is the one part. You can bring it like this if you want to. Or. And this is the middle part. So if you want the middle part, you're gonna go like this, and just brush it through. And there it is. So you can turn it how you want to turn it. You can turn it this part, or you can turn it that part. I really love this wig. You cannot imagine it's only £20. eBay, only £20. That's amazing, isn't it? Anyway, guys, I think that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.